Always brush your tongue too, right?
Yeah, because Mommy always brushes my tongue.
Welcome to So Much Fun, where we'll show everyone we're having so much fun. It's so much fun.
This time on Chaser's Corner. Chocolate frozen eggs. It's surprise toys. Frozen minis.
Alrighty guys, so we're here. Chase is actually dressed with his pajamas on. He's supposed to be going to bed, but he said he wanted to do a Chase's Corner.
I'm gonna see what's inside.
Yeah, and I told him it was too late to eat chocolate, so he convinced me to just let him do one.
But Daddy, can I just see one bite of chocolate?
Yeah, and then in the morning, you could do the rest. Oh, let's see, what do you got? Ooh,
I'm gonna get some chocolate.
is that good?
Yeah.
And now what's that? Is there a toy inside? Look at the chocolate. I want to try a piece. You need help?
I know who it is.
Who?
Kristoff.
Are you sure?
Yeah, check on it.
Looks like you can get Kristoff, Olaf, 2 Elsas, 2 Annas, or a Sven. Let's open it. You ready, dude? And 1, 2. Oh, you were wrong. Who is it?
Anna,
No.
Elsa,
Show the camera.
yeah, Elsa.
There it is. And there's the prize. Chocolate drop. Ugh. Elsa's defeated.
You know chocolate is good.
Chocolate's good?
Yeah, I love it.
You love it? Chop the chocolate on Elsa.
Ouch!
Ooh, you got it. So here's a look at what the egg looks like. So we'll let Chase open a couple more tomorrow when sugar's permitted. This is what's inside. These are the toys that you can get. Hey,
And look at the back.
want me to look at the back? Oh, nice. Oh, good job. That shows Elsa.
Yeah.
That in the back shows the one that we got. All right, dude, and you can open up one of these tonight, and then we gotta get you to bed. Okay?
I hope it is the troll.
The troll again. How about the marshmallow?
Yeah, marshmallow, I forgot.
Marshmallow goes good with chocolate. What's it sound like?
I think it's a marshmallow.
Open up the bag, and I'll close your eyes, and you have to see if you can guess.
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
I can do it. I know who it is now.
Who?
I can bite it.
That's who it is? Ugh. Don't put toy bags in your mouth without parental supervision. No, wait, you still have more okay.
It's out. It's Anna.
Oh, it's Anna!
We don't have the Anna.
Nope. Look at the size difference. It's giant Anna. And there she is. Alright, so dude.
Let's just do one and that though.
Are you sure you want to do one more? And what, you can do more chocolate tomorrow? Yeah? No more chocolate tonight, okay?
Okay.
Okay, here, put Anna on your So Much Fun shelf behind you. Alrighty.
Next one.
Want to open that one?
Yeah. Thank you so marshmallow guys.
Yeah?
Yeah. Remember, I'm gonna peek.
You're gonna peek?
Yeah,
Don't peek, okay?
I am. Yeah. And here's all the tape. Take the tape off and your Chaser's Corner thing.
I'm gonna eat this last piece of chocolate.
No.
What was that noise? You gotta guess who it is. Are you ready? I'm gonna give it to you.
No.
I'm gonna give it to you. Don't look, don't peek. Don't peek.
Maybe I can do it. I can do it.
Who is it?
Oh, I can't because it's like I can open the circle. What is it? What is it? Oh, I know who it is. It's Elsa. We already have this already.
Aw, we already have this.
Oh no, we don't.
We don't have this one?
No.
Why are you back again, Elsa? We needed the marshmallow. Let it go. Fine. I let her go, dude. Alrighty, put her on your shelf.
Let us do one again, that's all.
One more egg? Dude, it's nighttime.
Look, let us do it.
But are you gonna go right to sleep after?
Yeah.
You promise?
Yeah.
You're gonna go to bed? You're not gonna fight me?
But I just want to.
Okay, one more egg. Go. Go. Sit down.
I just do. This is egg.
All right. Let's clean up all the garbage.
More chocolate, Daddy.
More chocolate daddies?
Yeah.
All right. There's Elsa.
Okay. Here's a chocolate you can break up.
Oh.
You have some.
Okay. Thanks. What did you get?
I think it's Anna.
Anna?
Or after Christoph.
You want help? Ready? You know how to do it? This is a job for Hulk. Whoa! Dude, you took off Hulk's head. Want to see Hulk's head? Hi, I'm Hulk.
Let's do it.
Okay, you ready? Let's go, Hulk. No, that's not it. All right, let's try it. What?
It's the same Anna.
It's not Anna.
Elsa?
It's been a while since you've seen the movie, huh?
To Elsa.
Double Elsa smash! Ugh.
Cool.
Cool. How's that chocolate?
Hey, chocolate.
That's my name? Hey, chocolate. This is for you. Okay, dude. You gotta go to sleep. I gotta knock you out. Ooh. Okay, sit down. Tell them you'll see them in the morning.
I'll see you in the morning. Alright, we didn't show them the picture.
Oh man, we gotta show them.
It's the same Anna, but it's not real.
Yeah, that's definitely.
Wait, there's two Anna. And
Now, when you say Anna, do you mean Elsa?
no, this is Anna.
Yeah. What color hair does Anna have?
White. Look, she has white. Look, see? White. See, she has white.
Oh, that's Anna?
Yeah, Anna. Oh no, Elsa. You take me.
I ticked you. Ew, look at your mouth. Say ah. Let's get a close up. Ready? And say ah. Okay, bite, eat it. Then say ah.
Yeah, let me swallow it.
No, let me see all of it in your mouth. Ew. Is that poopy?
Chocolate.
Chocolate?
Ew. Spit.
Spit. You did that? Okay, dude, you gotta go to sleep.
Okay, but do you want her to sleep with me?
You want me to sleep next to you? Wait, where did you go? See you guys in the morning. Oh, good night, dude.
Good night.
I can still see you. Uh-oh, we almost forgot. You gotta brush your teeth first.
Oh, sugar.
Sugar? Always brush your tongue too, right?
If we can, Mommy always brush my tongue. See that bug? Blue bug?
Oh yeah, I see your cavity bugs. Ew, you have cavity bugs.
Wait, I gotta get water so I can.
Good job. Okay, tell everyone, say good night.
Good night. Here's tomorrow. Always brush your teeth as a sugar.
Ooh. Okay, sleepyhead, it's morning time. Wake up. Ah!
Animals.
What are you talking about, animals? Okay, sit down. All right, dude, what's up?
What's up?
Good morning. How was your sleep?
Good.
We got a turkey bacon cheese sandwich for you, but you want to eat your eggs first,
Yeah.
and then wash it down with some eggs.
Yeah.
You should wash down your eggs with some eggs.
No.
All right, let's see, dude. What's gonna be in there? Whoa. Uh-oh.
Chocolate.
Ooh, more chocolate. You want Hulk to do it again? Okay, Hulk. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ah, Hulk has no head. Oh, who is it?
It's
Sven.
Sven.
You got Sven. Let's check him out. Oh no, Chase. I think Sven might be trying to eat your chocolate. Have you ever seen Sven do a ground pound? Wow. Ugh.
Whoa, I'm gonna do that.
Sven is a strong dude. Whoa.
And we got
And there's a look at Sven. Can you guys see it? It looks pretty clear to us.
No.
No,
Sven
it's too white.
Sven's like Fen.
Sven's like Fen, right?
Fen. Yeah.
Fen.
Next one's the egg.
Last one, dude.
Yep.
Who's it gonna be?
I think on the back is. We have to get some marshmallow guy.
Oh no, he's not in here. Hopefully we get Olaf.
Yeah, I just said that.
No, Marshmallow Guy is the big guy with the teeth.
Oh yeah. Maybe Hulk.
Okay, we need Hulk.
You do it.
Okay, Hulk, you ready? 1, 2, 3. I can't get it. I think I know who it is. I think I saw who it was. It's Sven's boy, Kristoff.
Okay. So here's the back, and the side, and the back,
Yep.
and the side.
Let's put up all the characters we got, right? We got Sven.
Wait.
Hey, we got Kristoff. Where's Sven?
Then. Oh,
Oh, and grab Elsa.
Elsa.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Elsa.
Let's get a close-up, okay? Put Elsa, and there's one more Elsa on the floor. And there's, look, Kristoff. It actually looks nothing like him at all.
And Anna.
And there's Anna. Let's see. Oh, there's the Funko Anna.
And here's the
Here's the
Elsa.
Funko Elsa. We didn't get Marshmallow Chase.
Yeah.
We never get marshmallows.
And here's.
Sven looks like a weird Scooby-Doo.
And here's.
Right there. Who's that? You're so cute, I want to eat your hair. Guys, well, that's what we got. Oh, there's one more Elsa on the floor.
Oh yeah.
You gotta get it.
No, that's color.
No, on the floor. Next to you.
Let's see it.
That side. Got it.
Right here.
Yep. So that's our collection for today.
Hey, we didn't see the Shrek.
Shrek.
Yeah, we didn't see the instructions.
Instructions?
Yeah, we didn't see it.
All right, dude. There's your sandwich. Want to try to put chocolate on your egg and cheese?
No.
Try it. Challenge. Try it. No, you gotta put chocolate on your bacon. You ready? Okay, try it. Try chocolate bacon. All right, big bite. Ah, that good? You want to put chocolate in it? Why are you not swallowing it? All right, let's say goodbye, okay?
That's for today on Taster's Corner.
Yep, that's all for
Hey,
today.
we still have the Play-Doh.
Oh, Play-Doh.
Have to do that.
We didn't show Play-Doh, and this is so much fun. You ready? You have to at least show it. Boom! Play-Doh! Was that a frog? Oh, that was a frog. All right, say bye.
Bye. Have a good day. Apple.
Look, have you seen Anna's helmet? Okay, Anna. Boom.
Look at.
On his helmet.
Oh man.
Hulk smash.
You're a repeat Hulk.
Oh yeah, Hulk's gonna smash your sandwich.
Hope you had so much fun watching So Much Fun.
Thank you for giving my dupes.
Dupes?
Who's the dupes? Doopy? Look, Daddy, that chocolate can say, bye, so much fun.
Tell me if you know who this is. Don't peek.
I think it's Bang Bong.
You think it's Bing Bong?
Yeah,
See if you're right.